In 2024, you buy property, the unit must be big. Your land size must be big. But your purchase price must be low lah. And your maintenance fee must be low also. Welcome to Treasure at Tampines. Treasure at Tampines, 2203 units, 128 facilities there. You have 11 pool, meaning every month you can change one pool. Sibei shiok one, I tell you. The huge collection of clubhouses, barbecue, all your pavilions, right? Means your children birthday party, your gatherings, you have plenty of options. Don't have to worry, Got indoor gym, got outdoor gym. I tell you, don't have to go anyhow fitness anymore. Come here can already. The unit I'm going to show you in Treasure, to me, is the best facing. Why? It's huge. There's no west sun and whole unit, right? Got privacy. Welcome buyer, come in. This is a high floor, 4-bedder, 1238 square feet, Treasure at Tampines. Your right side is your kitchen. We will end with that later. Once you come in, here there's a huge dining area, huge living area. Let's go and see the view. Alright, Mr. Buyer, see your high floor permanent unblocked view. Come on. So day one, when the seller bought the unit from the developer, he was thinking, my future buyer always want. So everybody loves high floor, unblocked view and privacy. So this is what you get. 4 good sized bedrooms. The huge usable size of 123 square feet. Bright and windy, this one, high floor unblocked view. So Treasure at Tampines has a free shuttle bus to Tampines MRT and Changi Airport. Nearest MRT station, Simei MRT, Tampines West and Tampines MRT. Your nearby primary school, you have Tampines Primary, Chongzheng Primary, Changkat Primary School, Yumin Primary School and Junyuan Primary School. You're surrounded by amenities such as the Tampines Round Market, Eastpoint Mall, Tampines Mall, Century Square, Tampines 1 and our Tampines Hub. Ask Ken Tay, 1, 2, 3, 4 favorite kitchen layout. Step number 1, take out from the fridge. Step 2, wash your hands. Step 3, right side, straight away can chop already, prepare. Number 4, turn around, can fry already. 1, 2, 3, 4, ask Ken Tay, efficient kitchen layout. Being a big unit, you definitely need a proper yard area for your laundry and your storeroom for your helper or your barang-barang storage. So if you're keen to see the house, all you have to do is ask. I'll see you.